You are going to hear a conversation between a student and an administrator. This is section 1 of the IELTS listening test. You will hear the recording once only. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 4. Good morning, English Institute. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm calling to get some information about your IELTS preparation course.
Certainly. Are you looking for a full-time or part-time course?
Part-time, please. I'm currently working during the day.
That's fine. Our part-time IELTS course runs in the evenings, 3 times a week.
Okay, and how long does the course last?
The course lasts for 10 weeks in total.
10 weeks. That sounds reasonable. What time do the classes start?
Classes begin at 6:30 p.m. and finish at 8:30 p.m.
Great. Could you tell me where the classes are held?
They're held at our city centre campus near the main train station.
And how many students are there in each class?
We limit class size to 12 students to ensure individual attention.
That's good to hear. Finally, how much does the course cost?
The total fee is $580, which includes all materials and practice tests.
All right, thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Feel free to contact us if you'd like to enrol. That is the end of section 1. If you haven't answered the questions yet, pause the video now and choose your answers. You can find more IELTS listening practice, vocabulary and exam strategies at typogrammar.com. Thank you for listening and good luck with your IELTS preparation.